Hello there, my name is Ben Wade and I'd like to welcome you to this installment of Bionic You, the series dedicated to lighting the path to your full potential. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up navigation menus on your site quick and easy. We'll get into how that works right after this. So what are menus? Well, menus allow you to quickly navigate in a website by putting the links in an organized place to choose from. So the first thing you'll need to do is log into your website. And then come right over here to Appearance and Menus. And this is your menu manager page. And what this is going to do is allow you to create and manage menus. Now to start off, by default, WordPress creates menus for you. Let's go to the home page. And if you notice right up here, this is your menu area. And anytime you add a page, by default, it's added into this area. But if you want to take more control of those menus, you can actually build them and control them. Now right here in the Menus Control page, the first thing you'll need to do is create a menu. So once you've named it, go ahead and hit Create Menu. And then once you've got a menu created, you need to add stuff to it. And this is where these boxes on the left come in. Now there's a couple of different things you can add to a menu. One is custom links. Let's say, for example, you wanted to add Google. And then once you have the information in, just hit Add to Menu. And if you notice, it put this little gray box right over here. So now that you have a menu created and you have some content added to it, over here on Theme Locations, you need to select the menu that you want to show up. So select your menu and hit Save. Now let's go ahead and refresh your home page. And if you notice, now here in the menu, Google shows up because we have it added into our menu right here. Now if you want to add content from your site, this box right here is the best way to do it. Notice how it says Pages. You can either do the most recent or look at all of them. If we're going to go Home, Sample Page, and Sample Page 2, we're going to add this to the menu. You notice it added these gray boxes. And then save the menu. Now let's go refresh our home page. And if you notice, it added Home, Sample Page 2, and kept Google on there. Now to rearrange these are drag and drop. So all you have to do is grab it and drag it, and it'll change places, then save it, and it'll reflect those changes on the home page. The other thing you can do is create submenus. And all you have to do is just grab one of these. Let's say you want Sample Page 2 to be under Sample Page. So drag it underneath of it, and then grab it and drag it slightly to the right. Then hit Save Menu. Now let's go refresh the home page. You notice now you have Sample Page, but if you put your mouse over it, what's done is created a submenu. Now the last thing is, if you want to remove any of these, this little drop-down box right here gives you your options for how you want to manage this particular box. So go ahead and hit one. If you notice, it drops this down. Now you can either edit or remove. If you hit remove, it takes it off. You hit Save Menu. Let's refresh the home page. And if you notice, Sample Page 2 is no longer a submenu. And like anything else in WordPress, the more you use this, the more comfortable you'll get with it, and it'll become second nature to you. So definitely practice with it quite a bit to get familiar with it. So to wrap things up, in this video, you learned how to build and manage menus. Now, if you're watching this video in the WhoIsBenWehde.com members area, look at the page below the video you're watching right now. As often as possible, you will find links to additional information that will help you expand on what you just learned. And remember, if you thought this information was helpful, be sure to click that like button or favorite button so other people can find it too. And click that subscribe button so you'll never miss out whenever a new video comes out. However, the real gold mine is the members area of WhoIsBenWehde.com. That's where you'll find tons of videos like this one laid out step by step and organized so everything's easy to find. Thank you so much for watching.